Hello, my friends. Welcome to the Secret Santa Style Swap. Hashtag Christmas in July Swap 2025. So most of you know what this collaboration and this swap is all about, but we are Secret Santas to each other. And we were to send 3 packages out to it's not a partner because we don't know. We know who we're sending to, but we don't know who we're receiving from. So it's kind of like they put all the names in a hat and pick them. So at any rate, this is week 1. I want to mention real quick that this is hosted by Carol of Crinkled Path. There are some additional hosts as well. One is Sarah at NewEnglandJunkJournals, Pam PamVanEeJournalMaker, and Angela, the Traveling Crafter. There are a bunch of participants, so I'll be sure to put all of them in my description box. Float around, check out their videos, see what their Secret Santas sent to them. And our 4th video is going to be us perhaps sharing one thing that we made for our Santa or packaging it up or, you know, all of that. But that's going to be at the very, very end, okay? So this is week 1, as you can see by this tag. It's in a cute little Christmas bag. And week 1, we were supposed to decorate and send each other tags. So I am going to have a peek in here. Oh, I saw them and they're so pretty already. Oh my goodness. Let's have a look at these beautiful tags, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. All right, let's have a look at this one. I love that it has a bulb pin on top that is embellished with this beautiful bead dangle and a little candy cane. And then this is like a fluffy sticker, I guess. Yeah, it is. It's a fluffy sticker. That is so cute. And then we have this beautiful deer and layers of goodness. It starts with some scrapbook paper, and there's another piece of paper that's like in the shape of a really long banner, and this bow. And you can see these little shiny flat back gems. This is beautiful. I love the sparkly snowflake. So pretty. So that's our first tag. Our next tag, this is so cute. Look at this curly ribbon. And we have a gorgeous polar bear here. And there's a sparkly snowflake. This says the North Pole. This is so pretty. I hope you guys can see it. I feel like my lighting's a little bit funky today. I'll brighten it up when I edit it. And then we've got this one, and I love it. It's got a tag in it, but let's talk about this part here. This is really cute. This is chipboard, and this is very vintage looking, and the guy's carrying the gifts, and she's obviously had a fun time shopping. And we got some sparkly presents and some snowflakes here and there. Here is the little toy shop. Then we grab the tag and we pull that out, and it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. That is so cute. I love them. I love them all. So thank you so much, my Secret Santa. I appreciate you, and I appreciate these gorgeous tags that you sent to me. So my friends, check out everybody's videos, and I want to tell you how much I appreciate you being here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.